Activating Xfinity ports. In today's video, you are going to learn how to activate Xfinity ports. The process is quick and simple. First, download the application from your App Store and sign in with your Xfinity ID. Then go to the Accounts tab, scroll to Devices and tap Activate Wi-Fi Boost ports to start activation. Then plug in the port by inserting the first port into a power outlet about halfway between your gateway and the weak Wi-Fi area. Then connect your app, follow the on-screen instruction. The app may ask you to hold your phone near the port for Bluetooth pairing. Then wait for setup. When the port's light turns solid, it means it's disconnected and extending your Wi-Fi. Repeat the same process for each additional port. Place them in open areas, not behind furniture or metal objects. And that's how you will be able to activate your Xfinity ports. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.